We are in probable question series for ABM, and today we'll be solving numericals. Very important numerical on this normal distribution including binomial. So this is an important numerical for 5 marks. So everyone follow the video till the end. Okay, very important part, because these numericals you'll see it in the exams, and if you don't know the basic formulae, then you'll get caught somewhere. So what is this? Let's start this. See this. Always remember, for binomial there is basic rule. The basic rule is mu. We call this as mu. Mu. It's actually written like this. Mu. Mu equals to NP. Okay. The standard deviation equals to square root of NQ, and standard error equals to PQ upon N. But what is the P? What is this Q? See this. Always remember. Success is always written as P. Success. Okay. It's always written as P. Failure is always written as Q. Failure equals to Q. And always remember, P plus Q, success plus failure, should always be equal to 1. So Q equals to what? 1 minus P. Everyone remember this by heart. Q equals 1 minus P. Okay? And for binomial distribution, always remember this mu or mean, population mean, is equals to NP always. N into probability of individual item. Standard deviation equals to square root of NPQ. Standard error equals to PQ upon N. So why are we writing all this? Where do we need this? So we'll solve the numerical now. There you will understand it. It has been found that 2% of the tools produced by a certain machine are defective. Means we don't know that machine. That machine is, I don't know how many tools this machine is producing. This machine might be producing 1 lakh tools per day, or 1 crore tools per one day, or 10 tools per one day. I don't know. It's only given that 2% of the tools are of a certain machine are defective. So this is for infinite population. Okay. What is the probability that the shipment of 400 tools, in a shipment of 400 tools, now what is this? Out of those infinite tools, I have chosen 400 tools. 3% or more are defective. We want 3% or more to be defective. So now, how to solve this? Okay. Remember, 400 is a big number. 400, whenever this is sample. Okay, let's write these two parts over here. Always remember, there are two parts in this. One is population, and second is sample. Okay, this is sample. Okay. Now, what is given about the population? I don't know the population. Infinite. Okay, what is given? 2% are this. So mu over here equals to 2% is given. But there is some other percent given over here in the sample of 400. So n, small n equals to 400. So in a sample of 400, I am having 3%. I want 3% defective. So this is known as X bar. Always what is required is known as X bar. Okay. So what do I want now? I've got all these. 2% I have written, 400 I have written, 3% I have written. Right. So what do I want now? What next? Next point of yours is you have to find out Z. Your final target is Z. What is the Z equals to? 1 upon this standard error. Side dash we write it. Standard error into X bar minus mu. This is my standard error. Okay. So standard error minus into X bar. X bar means what is required, and mu is what is given. So X bar required is what? 3%. So this is 3%. Mu is what? 2%. This I know now. But what about this? Standard error. What is the standard error? Do I know this? No. So how do I find out? See, what is the formula for standard error? Standard error equals to PQ upon N and square root of that. So I'll draw it over here. Look at this. Standard error. I'll find it separately over here. Standard error. Let's find out. So square root of PQ upon N. But what is P? What do I want? That 3% or more are defectives. What is given? It is found that 2% of the tools produced by a certain machine are defective. Means every time when I check anything, I get 2% as defective. So what is my success now? See here, success doesn't mean the tools are good. Success means what is asked in the question. What is asked? We want defective. What is our target? Defective. So success equals to defective. Remember, what is asked in the question is the success. So success equals to defective. Okay. Now I want defective. So what is my P now? So P equals to 2%. I won't take this 3% now because that is asked. What is given is important. 2%. So P equals to 2%. I'll write this percentage in terms of points. So it is 0.02. right? Divided by 100. So if P equals to 0.02, what about Q? Q, what did I say? 1 minus P. So it is 1 minus 0.02. So what is the answer? 1 minus 0.02, answer is 0.98. Correct. See this is 0.98. Okay. So now I've got P, I've got Q upon N. What is the formula for this? See this, PQ upon N. So P I have, Q I have. Look at this on the top. Okay. P I have, Q I have, and N I have. So I'll just find out the standard error then. So standard error equals to standard, I'll just write error now, equals to square root of, what is P? 0.02 into 0.98, right? PQ upon 98. PQ upon N. N is what, 400? Yeah. So do the calculations now. Find the answer. 0.02 into 0.98. Everyone give me the answer. 0.02 into 0.98. 0.02 into 0.98. That is what? 0.0196. Is everyone getting this? Divided by 400. Divided by 400. So what do I get? 0.4 times 0.49. My God. So equals to square root of, it's like this, 0.4 times 0.49. Are you getting this? Everyone, 4 times 0.49. Are you getting this? So find the square root now. What is the square root of this? So it is 0.007. James Bond, not 7, right? 0.007, not 7. This is my James Bond answer, right? So my standard error is 0.007. Is everyone getting this? Type yes in the comment section if you are getting this. Type yes. I'll just see this. Yeah. Okay. So you've got the standard error now. Now find out Z. Problem is not over. Problem is bigger one. Okay. Still you have to get this probability table. So Z equals to what? Is 1 upon, what is standard? 0.07 into, this also I'll write in percent. No, I won't write in percentage now. I'll have to write in points. So 0.03, 3% means 0.03 and 2% means 0.02. Do the calculations. So I get Z as what? 0.1 upon 0.07. So what is the answer? Yeah. It is this into what? 0.01. So I'm getting this as 1.42. Are you getting this? 1.42 everyone? 1.42. You must get this as 1.42. Correct. You must get this as 1.42. Type yes. How many of you Z equals 1.42? Type yes in the comment section. Everyone type fast. Yes. How many of you have got this? 1.42. Correct? Got it? Next one. Now what? Is the problem over? No. We want probability. Where is the probability? Now comes the real catch. See here, whenever you have this Z value, using this Z value, you can get the probability from the probability distribution table. Now, this table will be given to you in exam. Now, before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study materials plus live classes, ebooks, tests, you name it, you have it. Whatever you require, you will get it over here. So, download this Adda 24/7 app right now. Okay. Now this is the distribution table, normal distribution table. This will be given to you in exam. Okay. And once this is given, you have to follow this. But how do I solve this? Always remember, this table will always have, see, this left side you are having Z and this top part you are having Z. These two are Z values. Means what? How to write this? Okay, let me expand this. Okay. See this. It is like this. Left side is this and then top part is this. Okay, so what do I do now? Suppose if I want 1.42 only, now what was the answer? 1.42? Yeah, 1.42. Now I want 1.42. Let me see. See this, 1.42. So if I am having this as 1.42, what will I do? I'll break this into two parts. I'll mark this 1.4 first and then 2. 1.4 I'll search vertically and 2 I'll search horizontally, like this. Always remember, 1.4 I'll search vertically, 2 I'll search horizontally. So now let's start searching. See this. So 1.4, where is 1.4? Vertically, this is 1.4 and 2 I'll search horizontally. 2 is over here. Take this 2. So this 2 and 1.4 match this. What are you getting? 0.922. This is my answer, 0.922. So this, everyone's seeing this, 0.922. Able to see this now? 0.922. This is my probability. So remember this, 0.922. Now let's write it. So my probability becomes what? Respective probability equals to respective probability. Oh ho ho, you might not be able to see this. Are you able to see this? No. Okay, let me write on the other side. Okay, this z, up to what are you able to see this? See this z value. Okay, let me remove this from. Hold on. So there's a problem, right? I got the problem. You are not able to see this, right? You ain't able to see this now. One sec. Yeah. Let me shift this. Hold on, give me 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, give me 1 minute. Yeah. So what we'll do is we'll shift it over here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now it is okay. Now whatever is not needed over here. So now let me go this, because what happens, you must be able to see this. That's important, isn't it? Otherwise, what's the use, right? Okay. So now see this. Are you able to see this now? Yeah. Now better. See this. So z, you have got this 1 upon psi dash into x bar minus mu. Then z, I have put the values. One psi dash was what we found out, 0.07. So use this 0.03 minus 0.02. I got 1.42. From there I found out the probability. That probability was what, 0.9 something. I told you I forget this. What is this? See this. Again in the table we'll see. What is that? With this. It is 1.42. So 0.922. This one. Right? Able to see this? 0.922. This one. So let's write 0.922. This is my respective probability. So there is 0.922. So it is, remember, 0.922 is the respective answer. What I mean. Okay. So always remember, first the steps are, first find standard error, then find z, then find the probability. These steps problem is there. Okay. Now before going ahead, subscribe to Officer Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel you will be getting all the free YouTube series plus marathons on all the subjects of JAIIB and CAIIB. Immediately do this. Okay. Now some theory. One numerical is okay. Now we'll go for the theory part. Theory is for probability. This is an important theory which comes in exam. And definitely you will see, out of these three corollaries you will get 2 in the exam. That A and B two events, subset of sample space S and are not disjoint, then the probability of occurrence of A or B or A and B both, in other words, probability of occurrence of at least one of them is given. So how do I decide the probability for if A and B are 2 events? So remember this by heart. It is P A and B equals to PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. Look at this. Okay, PA plus PB plus minus PA intersection B. See, what is this? I'll just show you here if it is possible. Yeah, this is A, this is B. Okay, this is A and this is B. Okay, union means for all this above, all this means outside boundaries, and intersection means this. This is intersection. This is intersection part. Okay, so how do I do this? P of A plus P of B minus 1 time this intersection, because I am getting this area times. So that's why minus 1 time. Okay? Now if the event A and B are mutually exclusive, then exclusive, then PA intersection B equals to 0. Exclusive means what? They don't touch each other, means they don't intersect each other. They are far away. So when they are exclusive, it means what? PA intersection B equals to 0. So PA union, this should be union. PA union B equals to PA plus PB. For 3 non-mutually exclusive events A, B and C. So what do I do? If there are 3 events, so again similar one. This is difficult one, but you have to remember PA plus PB plus PC minus PA intersection B minus B intersection C minus PA intersection C and plus PA intersection B plus intersection C. Okay, so this is what a difficult part. You have to remember. First you have to subtract all the single intersections, then the combined intersection you have to add it once. If we are to any events, then PA equals to PA intersection B plus PA intersection B, this opposite of B, right? So B opposite we call it. So if B is 20, then B opposite is 80%, because it is 100 minus that. Okay, so these are the 3 main corollaries. This is the basic formula which comes in exam. Follow this toto. Toto means till the end. All the 3 steps, 3 corollaries you need to know. You need to know the basic formula. Okay. So let's come to the batches now. Power packed revision batch and video courses, both are available. Why both? Because many times in banking we have used freshers now, right? So in that pressure we are not able to attend the batch properly. So in that case, what do we do? If we are not able to attend the batch properly, then do we leave the studies? No. That's why we have prepared as video courses. So you can watch these videos of the classes or the prepared videos anytime at your ease, whenever you are at home, whenever you are traveling, anytime. So that's why video courses batch. You get ebooks also over here, test also over here. And what about the Power Pack revision batch? In Power Pack revision batch, we cover all the numericals, objective questions, important ones. Everything is covered. Use the code Y432 to get huge discounts. Huge means it ranges hugely. Let me show you. Okay. So go to Adda 24/7. Let me go to Adda 24/7 first, everyone. If you are having the app, I would always suggest you to go through the app. Okay. In the app, you are getting 1% extra. Okay. So go to Adda 24/7. See this. Okay. On Adda 24/7, click on first JAIIB CAIIB. Then click on CAIIB 23. See this CAIIB 23. Don't click on November right now because you have yet to give this exam of May. So CAIIB 23. Okay. Then click on this Power Pack revision batch. Okay. Then go through the details. All the details are given. Timings, dates, study plans. Recorded videos are available. Importantly, look at this recorded videos. Okay. Now let's look at the fees. 3519. Click on more offers. Put the code Y432. Y432. Click on apply. Look at this. 78% off you are getting. So 15999 reduces to 3519. Such a huge discount you are getting. Similarly for video courses also you will get similar discounts. Go to video courses. How to go about it? See this. Again go back to Adda 24/7. Okay. Gone. Then click on CAIIB 23. Scroll down. See this. That's why I'm saying go through the app. App is much easier. Click on this video course. Okay. You'll see the details again. All the details. Look at the details over here. All the details are given. What is the study plan? What are the materials covered? Everything. Go through them. Click on more offers about the fees. Put the code Y432. Y432. Click on apply. See this. 22,999 reduces to